Well, traders, FOMO. FOMO got me today. I get so excited when I see my setup. The overextension to resistance, I get so excited. I got to head out here a little bit early, so I need to go ahead and do this video. I had a couple trades, just two tickers. I was on today, AA and AVRO. AVRO, this one, just beautiful, guys. Loved that it popped right out of the gates. When a stock is overextended, such as AVRO, already on the daily, this had 1, 2, 3, 4. The velocity relative to its normal average trading day was just huge. This thing had been on a tear. 80 on the RSI, just overblown. I was really hoping it would pop right out of the gates, and it did. Had to take advantage of it with the short position. I'll show you guys those entries on AVRO. Took one right out of the gates on the pop. Second, third entry. I cut some shares right here as it was breaking over this high day here. My risk guide was, like 50 bucks. I didn't really want to risk over that with my share size, which is a little bit smaller. We all have different risk guides, but AVRO cut about half my shares, was going to recycle those shares out, had a better average on it. And then, the chart doesn't look awful, but I get into these a little too early because we see this red candle here. It was the only one it had, and it was a long tail. Long tail is a sign of bullish momentum. There's still buyers pushing this thing on up when it has a pullback. So I need to wait for these candles, the upper shadows. That means there's a lot of selling pressure. Little FOMO, which affected my next trade because I was just trying to make back what I had lost, and AA was just beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Huge pop right out of the gates. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, like 12 green candles back to back with one red there. Took it this first initial short here. The trade was a little comfortable. That trade was a little too comfortable. It hadn't had a really solid push yet. So that one was just kind of a starter, a feeler position. But then as we popped over 24.50, top ticked it. Top ticked it with 400 shares there. I had 200 right here. So my average then was about 24.50, which was a great average. You look at this stock now. AA, where are we at? We're at 23.70. That's painful. That is painful. But I know the reason I took it so quick is just because my P&L was affecting me. I wanted to make back, my trade from AVRO. Frustrating, guys. Absolutely frustrating. I needed to leave some leftovers there to fade because look at what AA did. This stock's going to put me into AA. Going to be heading to those AA meetings from AA. So that's going to wrap up my trading day today, guys. I got to head on out of here. But really frustrating. FOMO is frustrating. I'm going to take some notes, write this down because I know what I did here. AVRO, I started this one a little too early, and then I was upside down here for a little bit. Had to, recycle some shares, cover some, and then get a better average. And, was upside down a little bit on that trade just because I love the setup and I got in too early. I got to just wait, be patient. Patience with a P-A-Y. AA, this one, beautiful trade. I love that one. Just didn't leave any to work for me. Just took it right away. So that's the lesson of the day. Don't have FOMO. Have patience. All right, guys. Let me know how you did in the comment section below. Break even day here. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button, traders, and we will see you all first thing tomorrow.